Welcome one and all to the Accelerators at TCS Summit Asia Pacific 2023.
Leaders will have to steer through changing business models, the impact of ongoing geopolitical uncertainty, and of course, policy changes. In short, we must all become accelerators.
So knowing when to use these individual technologies to solve complex problems is a critical piece of this puzzle that one has to understand in order to embark upon an AI-first journey within an enterprise.
When we were approached for AI, research of AI, where it's going to involve removables, head removables, that's going to measure EEG waves, and then use that then to predict adverse mental health super outcomes into the future as well.
In an age of accelerating change, how are business models changing?
Two things. One is the business model, and then there's the operating model, and they really have to go hand in hand.
The idea that that business model has been disrupted is quite confronting. Rather than be just a dreadful disruption and go back to normal, what changed about it for customers? What can we learn from them, and how do we need to do things a bit differently?
We have designed some immersive experiences. So people would be going through some breakouts and they will be given a problem or a task and they will be working together to come out with the solutions.
Really, they're getting the opportunity to have their voice heard. That interactive session is multifaceted in that regard.
Two very different sessions. I popped my head into both of them. I thought Amy and I might just share a couple of insights. Really interesting questions about experience now being at the core of sustainable growth.
We also talked about cycles and hypercycles and clay mapping and really getting the base data right.
Really excited to be up here and to have the IMF Indigenous Marathon Foundation as part of the TCS Accelerator event.
The experience was incredible in terms of personal growth, personal inspiration that actually you can sometimes achieve beyond what you ever set out to.
I think it's really easy when there's a big challenge in front of you to make the mountain actually bigger than the task.
Acknowledging that we're all leaders and we can have an impact on a lot of other people for the good.
I see a big opportunity for all of us to make a genuine change in this world.